As we all know, since the COVID-19 outbreak from Wuhan in China, it rapidly spread all over the world, including India. When it hit India, India was under complete lockdown. As it is a droplet infection, social distancing was very must. Its symptoms include fever, coughing, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Its respiratory phase is 2 to 7 days. It includes dry non-productive cough progressing to respiratory distress. In India, the situation was getting worse day by day. The cases are increasing. Let me show you a video on this.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
After the impact of COVID-19, the first thing which came to everyone's mind was when the vaccine will be available. And there comes the role of biotechnology and biotechnologists. The COVID-19 pandemic has really unveiled the true importance of biotechnologists. We all are hoping that very soon they will come up with something that will put an end to this global suffering. The biotech industry is also hit due to the shortage of supply chains, supply disruptions, transportation issues, and many other problems. This pandemic has opened a lot of scope and opportunities for the industry of biotechnology. Lots of companies have started working towards the development of vaccines. Some anti-malaria drugs like hydroxychloroquine and paracetamol are also on high demand. New clinical trials are taking place. A very recent trial conducted in France reported that treatment with hydroxychloroquine helped the patient speedy recover. To solve this global crisis, biotech and pharmaceutical industries must play a major role. They also need support from the government of India. We all hope soon the world will recover from this virus and everything will be back to normal.
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान बांटेंगे हम खुशियां गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान
साथ